and one like a chang one right now kwa nyin cha kwa ni commissioner ka Akobo ka wajin cha ni commissioner po nyang governor of Jonglei state cha kulwa non president Salva Kiir. So right me right more it was affected ngay je when any time there will be announcement of a person Monsieur Metiang cha wurum la chwa lukwet makwach la kwet nyalew belieu gar nyiman goñ belieu cha kwany cha no la commissioner in position of Pongyang. So mera na Metiang cha take a little confusion to take a neti kana cha randa cha no cha ma cha ga dweje ken Iraq. So it caused tension, a little tension among the community Akobo yesterday. But today, Shabak, there are some meeting going on to do all in the TJD, Bakon Shub anytime. Kono, Chub for your bone and as we said, Ngay Kono the winner of Baran, you quite Werber, Bakwan. Gargai benu la commissioner of Akobo ku take a problem kana Pongyang. So ngai kono ba Pongyang which che suspend for about months ke padara now. Ti menta Pongyang la commissioner of Akobo a defied of Raja la Gargai. Mi amada community of Akobo kel ka spiala mayu manan te Akobo. Jen jaw poko pongora la commissioner of Akobo till yesterday. Me go for yes. Now, Chara Magor Kumeje, Magor Gaje, supported by President Salva Kiir with their objective Chakwan Akobo. The question when Akobo till large suspension of Pongyang Chelet, a Lamor in general. Do they agree? No can win and begarnya lao bala kwar. So question more agenda con the aljode and then gonna take a reaction right now social media take individuals to inspired by the government can objective of one and as Piala Mayu body dismantle people give up. So right in support of this idea. So take a day to resist that I have seen. Logic and it will not work. Chabelet, Kuwedi, Akobo community take a position, and in the big picture, Ngay Konago now, a country, Malala Mal 2018, a Kunala Nungwakel, Chadak, Tanakor, wherever, and a Guad, Mirijigatin, by Yigin Bet, Kume. By any means, so be occupy. Objective is whatever it is. Quando na garnya lew, quando na ngagola. Your objective is whether kumala kume jinup, alaji jinup, SPDF, la assortment of bor, kanga, bagarol, bagananga Akobo. So because Akobo, as you see in Nasser, people take get your goal. Alambe stay bala we de bole direct to tier goal. So no a direct displacement of the people of Akobo who should be settled can area mo kumu or one tongomo without peace, without an agreement. So it will be no mo kwala wona ne kwa garnya la kwa nga ya ndongo ejene kwa protect ni me kwa gang ni. Ko Akobo are not ready to receive the government in Akobo violently. Get on lel kenye. So one of you chong no kata dia ne take karuna wara wodi. Ta mal kwa live kwa enjoy in different way their road Ethiopian road ka woni todial ka letken. So they are free. So anta mugo kumitin That is the question. Can Akobo go and they are not ready for it. I'm sure the position in general. So when we come back to the point of one and now, Chapo Yang, who I shall replace Garnyan Lew. What is next? A woman like statement again now. Like the meeting no only Kongala Roga Kubu, only out come in and we con network thing. So number one, a word decision of one and before young let, keep Garnyan Lew let, she decision sharp. She a community that can decide. As Piala Mayu military, but as Piala Mayu Ka Kubu. We know them. The Garing short thin, the Garmajon got waited thin, the Galian would tongue thin, the Thorgang thin can stuck Kerakian or Kin, Lakuman Lakuma Kubu, Miltaka and Rayo, a kind of decision to go Nabalado. A Nabalargan Idara with him. So no more they have their political ramification that they will look into. Go and name a balado, hell kuja appoinga. And kuja appoint as a commissioner. Who are appointment little knowledge, KSPLM, IU, hierarchy. Mentago yet, take an okay, but take an accept a kind of years. Rameran as PLM IU, it mean Chaba accept. They will not accept that. Mulunu Malara Jago and decision she do around. There is no matter and a community. Like for example, Roy Con Shimani Garanyalo, like Shimpage, she narrowed. So Shimpage alone cannot decide. The Goba Garanyala, Obacola, as we come, a bomb, Mitch more deal, Michigan, Garanyala, your bullet. Take an example, the one, the talk of Shimbol and me, where you got away at, you know, go show to you, Ben. Me, yes, but legally, which are quite as PLMIO, which are indoors, among president, you watch all. So, me, Shimbol will can watch in a gore. We know that is story. So, I had a locomotive order in New York, who made more or can make a mat. A chalara work, I be sure to Benur, whatever it is. Well, they know that what is coming was legal, and that was a peacetime. Mirana Mala. So, we know this story. The same like today, they can try to instigate some of the problem. Like in the big interest, a woman and Dorbiala Kobu need to be free. But not free, she be free bam. But free commitment, Kiyan and the Alcon the thing and Misha Mat, Kumu Chebe Dun, but she and Dun baby interrupt, be along. Like in Bukarian Mat, attack some element. Tiantaro. Very easily Kuma will penetrate into your community, but never come back at Dagapin, and then be vulnerable. Tell me a lot. So the example of situation in Tuoka Akobo, again it to another. Again, boy, in similar way, again it to occur. General, Co-General, they are under IO, they refuse the commissioner of government. Can So we know this story about 3 months now. To Bulma Quich at the headquarters of his country. So decision me anang ayun. Kel can I shop. In answer, major commission in answer may I wish. Shagwada Moika General. May shop Kel can I commission in answer may you can laro in a gore. It is now in coma. So Mulunu again boy in Panjak. That's a spin. The community care and the community care laro konju ayu, we don't recognize this. even in Akobo me talk and Chicago boy and decide we don't accept this. It's support. Mululu can't time yet more. But to few individual. Need to take a spirit of giving up concentration the content. So bago mo ka position lar kane wona ne kume be ko be book. Wallahi cha ko be ya de book. So thinking about the destruction. Like in the effect, the long-term effect. The long-term effect, I mean they know a kub micho go kub. Yang wuji chubra ra go kub. Man ni ponji and a corner of kub de go. Kub will not look the same. They are like anywhere. Which is a cause of living. Who could be a changadi, be a chango shepherd attack. Yen Akobo, Korodu. And of course, Gurun the ultimate Akobo, Majukum Wutin, Shira, Langjamo, the Yen, with the Yen unity, Malarian will be attacked free. So it's the same situation. Melodian, they won in a Ladan Cornet in Toronto, Cornet the Jodwell Goro. The channel politics, channel war a bit in contown wedge. So what we communicate to our people should be the right information. Like now, I con with Akobo. For example, we are on Chiendog, right a Chiendog about this situation. So really not will our Chiendog, it wouldn't interest the machine interest doing Chiendog. Chigen. Well, it is recognized and when a core Pongyang with Yen Gaye. She didn't go up me to ben a goa on one malting a tie done. Yen Gaye, there are in Shiendo. So, whoever she known that a commissioner, there is no problem with it. Like in a wrong time like this is a question of what? Question of a spirit, unity more. We are an individual, take a feeling go and more we are united, they can do everything. Like in we are a shing, it is a lose to everyone. Chigen. We are chain dog, we are going to and what is happening to your interest. Chigen. And as we know, chicken dog deal, Kachim Manu Ramaja Quine, like Chimpage. So it is a particular case. We are treated as individual issue. We are like a jike. We are like a con position and as a more than Pongyang Bawa at a time. More Guadaben, when people go back to the peace agreement, Micharek Machar, Micharlun, who con Jacob, you con Malok, you con Laro, you not let him on. Look on a destructive peace. Peace Mukulwang and Angar. When I look at all those things, we Malvo Guada, Pongyang Bawoy. Key Michan can look at all this process as well as my go as a decision. Well, Magoja Pongyang, Ramajan Nogo Benung, Kuidar, as long as they are still in control of that land. She introduced she and dog, she individual case, and she belong as a community. I just message and didn't learn now in the control intellectual. We tell them to wait for any decision about Nang SPL Mayu. Wotagat can't take it. Like the people I read their name. Tawutongli a thin, Garway my joke thin, Teneokan thin Torogashi and Dogota. How can I know it is their decision? I can't name matter who will talk. Taro can take the spirit of war and I gave up in situation like this. Wrong. Shukran.